If you've forgotten your Hotmail password and can't access your email, don't panic. There's a simple way back in. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to recover your Hotmail account in 2025, even if you don't remember your password at all. Start by heading over to the Microsoft Outlook login page. The easiest way is to search Outlook login in your browser or go directly to Microsoft's official Outlook sign-in page. Once you're there, you'll see the usual Microsoft login interface. This is where the recovery process begins. Click the Sign In button at the top right corner. You'll be taken to the screen where you normally enter your email and password. But since the password is the part you've forgotten, don't worry. We're not stopping here. Under the password box, look for Sign In options. Click it. This is where Microsoft gives you alternative ways to verify who you are when you can't remember your password. You'll now see a few different sign-in methods. If you've set up a passkey on your device previously, you can use it to log in without entering a password at all. Just follow the prompts, but if you haven't enabled a passkey, no problem. Microsoft provides other recovery options too. Choose the option that appears highlighted for your account. These may vary depending on the security settings you set up earlier. Typically, you'll be asked to confirm your identity using one of the recovery methods you previously added, like getting a code sent to your backup email, your phone number, or another verification method. Once you receive the verification code, enter it and you'll be taken to the password reset page. Create a new password. Make sure it's strong but memorable. After confirming it, your account will be fully accessible again. And before you log off, you might even notice optional sign-in methods, such as signing in with GitHub if your accounts are linked. These can make future logins easier and faster. And that's it. You've successfully regained access to your Hotmail account without knowing your old password. It's a straightforward process once you know where to click, and it keeps your account secure at the same time. If this guide helped you, feel free to stick around for more quick, clear tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.